guys, Jarrett Vanderwerf here with MarineMax Dallas. Today I'm going to be showing you our 2015 X20. This is a super awesome boat, really low hours, great use surfing boat. Alright, we're here at the transom of the X20. A couple key things I want to point out. You got a transom stereo remote, so when you guys are sitting back here on your seats, you can adjust the volume when people are swimming and hanging out. I'll be able to talk or jam out either way. You've also got some really neat underwater lights. If you're out at night, super cool. Light up the water behind you while you're doing any kind of water sports. Alright, so here at the back of the boat, a couple things I want to point out. You've got 4 tower speakers, that way you can hear the sound whether you're surfing or wakeboarding. They're really loud, really crisp speakers. We've got a GoPro mount up here to follow the rider, keep track of whatever they're doing. Also, one thing I want to point out, this boat is equipped with a 6.2 liter V8, so it's got more than enough power in this boat to tow whatever you're doing behind the boat. Right, so at the helm of the X20, you've got a super nice bolstered seat, allows you to get up and really see over the bow of the boat. You got a subwoofer located right behind it. A cool couple other options that you're going to have on this boat. You got a digital display that's going to tell you what your ballasts are doing, what your wake surf setup like. Alright, now we're at the front of the boat. As you guys can see, this is a pickle fork boat, so it allows for a lot more seating up here rather than a traditional bow. Great place for the kids to hang out and have a separate space to socialize. But my name is Jarrett Vanderwerf. I'm glad to show you guys this boat. Call us anytime. Thanks.